The YEFYM wire stripper is a high-quality tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, offering efficient wire stripping capabilities and excellent performance. With its thoughtful design and durable construction, this wire stripper is a reliable companion for various electrical projects. Here, we'll explore its specifications and highlight the features that make it stand out. Material. The YEFYM wire stripper is crafted from premium-grade hardened steel, ensuring long-lasting durability and resistance to wear and tear. The handle is made of non-slip rubber for a comfortable and secure grip during extended use. Wire size compatibility. This wire stripper can handle a wide range of wire sizes, making it suitable for various applications. It can strip wires ranging from 10 to 24 AWG, American wire gauge, covering the most commonly used wire sizes in electrical work. Stripping capacity. The YEFYM wire stripper offers precise stripping capabilities, allowing you to remove insulation from wires effortlessly. It features adjustable stripping holes, enabling you to strip the outer insulation without damaging the inner conductor. The maximum stripping length is approximately 20 mm. Cutting and crimping functions. In addition to wire stripping, this tool also serves as a reliable wire cutter and crimper. It can easily cut wires with precision, and the built-in crimping slots enable you to make secure connections without the need for additional tools. Safety features. This wire stripper incorporates safety features to minimize the risk of accidents. It has a locking mechanism that keeps the blades closed when not in use, preventing accidental cuts or injuries. Overall, the YEFYM wire stripper is a highly capable and reliable tool for wire stripping, cutting, and crimping tasks. Its versatility, durable construction, and user-friendly design make it a valuable addition to any electrician's or hobbyist's toolkit.